Good morning children, I am Sima Vishwas from Shipra Vidyalaya. Today we are going to learn how to draw different types of lines. We will learn to draw standing line. It is called vertical line. This is sleeping line. It is called horizontal line. This is slanting line. It is also called diagonal line. This is semicircle. It is also called half circle. And this is circle. So children, all these lines are very important because the letters of English alphabet are made of these lines. Let's see the letters: E, F, H, I, L, T. ये सभी लाइन्स स्टैंडिंग एंड स्लीपिंग लाइन से बने हैं. Look at these letters: A, K, M, N, V, W, X, Y, Z. ये सभी लेटर्स स्टैंडिंग, स्लीपिंग एंड स्लैंटिंग लाइन से बने हैं. Look at these letters: B, C, D, G, J, O, P, Q, R, S, U. ये सभी लेटर्स सेमी सर्कल, सर्कल, स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड स्लीपिंग लाइन से बने हैं. सो लेट्स लर्न हाउ टू ड्रॉ लाइन्स. These are standing lines. It is also called vertical lines. So, move top to bottom and join the objects. Start from the top and go to the bottom. Okay? Start from the top and go to the bottom. Okay children, these are standing lines. It is also called vertical lines. Okay, you will practice them. Okay, look at these lines. These are sleeping lines. These are sleeping lines. It is also called horizontal lines. Move left to right and join the bigger with their smaller. Start from the left and go to the right. Okay children? You will practice it. Okay. Trace the dotted lines. These are also sleeping lines. Okay. You will practice it. Next. These are slanting lines. Okay children. It is also called diagonal lines. Take the animals to their food. Okay? Start from the top and go to the down. Okay? Trace the dotted lines. Start from the top and go to the bottom. Okay? You will practice it. Okay. Okay, children. These are slanting lines. Okay? Match to make pair. Start from the top and go to the bottom. Okay? You will practice it. Draw the dotted lines. These are slanting lines. It is also called diagonal line. Okay. Look at this line. Okay. These are circles. These are circles. Draw circles on the flowers. Draw circles on the flowers. Okay. Look at this. Trace the dotted circles. Start from the top and go down and again go to the top. Okay? You will practice it. Okay, children? Next. These are semicircles. These are semicircles. It is also called half circles. So, draw half circles on the fish. Draw half circles on the fish. Okay? Look at this. Trace the dotted half circles. Start from the top and go to the bottom. Okay? Trace the dotted lines. Draw the lines. You will practice it. Okay? Next. These are also half circles. Okay? Trace the dotted half circles. Trace the dotted half circles. Okay? These are opposite sides. You will practice it. Okay?